First, I'm going to show you how to use the harness on your child. First, start with a child that always listens. Now that you got that, simply put the child's arms through each strap so the plastic piece sits on the back between their shoulders. You may need to adjust it on your child. Then, click each side into the buckle. To remove the straps for a deep hand washing or to put in the washing machine, you're going to want to remove the shoulder straps and the buckle. To remove the buckle, start by undoing the little plastic piece from the strap. You're going to want to put that little piece somewhere you'll remember. Then push hard on the back plate or give it a gentle punch to knock it out of the seat. To put the harness back on, click in the back plate. You'll need to give it a firm push. Then feed the buckle strap through the seat and then reconnect that little plastic piece.